All right, guys. I don't really know where the hell half the people who were like complaining that I just like didn't do a live Q&A were. So we're just gonna do a live Q&A if you guys have questions. Uh, but yeah, so if you guys have questions, just ask me. I mean, I don't really have anything else to explain to you guys. It's pretty like kind of simple. But I know like Schofield was asking questions in my DMs. Like you guys can ask questions. I don't really care. But yeah, so just ask away.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I just feel like retarded.
Nah, you're good, bro. It happens, bro.
I've been staring at charts like just hours on hours. I'm like losing my mind and I can't like figure it out. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
Like I don't
But
even
you
know
see
what
how it
I'm
is.
asking at this point because I'm just like losing it.
Yeah, I know. Sometimes you gotta like step away, but I was gonna say you guys like step away from the charts and like low key, kind of hard at first because like literally nothing makes sense to you. So you just have to like find one thing that makes sense and it kind of like all like sticks together. But you just gotta like kind of find the one thing that makes sense to you. But yeah, anyway, hello, Caden. Uh,
How much does weekly bias like come into play for you? Like how much like how important is it to you?
I mean, it's really not that important, like to an extent. Like, I mean, it kind of is, but like not really. Like, you could low key just get away with not even doing your weekly bias. I just like it's kind of like for you guys like trying my strategy. It just helps you kind of have like a more of a reason for what you think. It just kind of builds on your confidence. Like if we look at this weekly candle, right? This is like last week, right? Yeah, this week before. So it was in a downtrend, right? And then you make a higher high. So this now breaks structure and this becomes an uptrend. So now you're expecting another uptrend next week and then probably break this all-time high like 689. So that's kind of like you're basically just reading a chart, but in like a big picture. So like overall, your expectation for the week should be upside. So that just would kind of prevent you from taking like big like short trades. Like you're it would just help your bias like intraday be like, yeah, okay, it's probably going to end up pushing to the upside mainly. So I probably shouldn't be looking for huge shorts. So it's all it really is. It's something super important, but yeah,
That
it
makes
just kind of helps you like determine your assumption for the week. Yeah, I'm gonna read chat too. We have questions over there, but turn me over. How do I find your bias for the day on pre-market? Um, Well, pre-market Loki doesn't fucking matter, to be honest. So like on pre-market, actually pre-market isn't even showed on TradingView unless you have extended hours on. But like, um, what was I gonna say? Yeah, like pre-market here. I think I fucking moved something actually. Pre-market here doesn't matter because like as long as it doesn't sweep the highs or the lows, it doesn't matter. Like I guess here it would have swept Tuesday's high. Like so technically you could have expected this pullback and continuation higher. So it really doesn't matter too much. Like pre-market, I don't really think about it. I just literally just mark out my highs and lows from market close from the previous day. So that's usually what I do. But uh, yeah, I don't know. I don't really look at pre-market too much. I kind of like might look at like where it's sitting at, but I don't really like look at the price action because it's kind
cool.
of irrelevant. But yeah.
I had a quick question. This might sound like hella dumb, but like what's like do you mean like when it's like a sweep, bro? Like I feel like I understand like the like idea of it, but like when you're using that term, like I guess like what does that mean, you know? Because like I think I could
Literally, it goes above this line. Like it goes anywhere above this line. It can go a freaking inch above this line. It's a sweep. Like it just worse. It hits someone's stop loss and takes their
Ooh,
money and
that
freaking
makes sense.
liquidates them. That's literally all
Oh,
it is.
okay, so okay. That just cleared up the terminology for me. So I
Yeah,
understand now.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
appreciate it.
Yeah. So just like sweeping the high. So literally taking its broom and just freaking Jewishing their stop losses away, basically.
Fuck the Jews.
Yeah. Fuck the juice, man. All right. Any other questions? Questions?
When you're marking out your
questions?
swing highs and swing lows, that's on you do that on the hourly, right?
Yeah, just on the hourly. So I'll go like my hourly here. And then it's just like the most recent kind of relevant high. So like let's take this one, right? Tuesday swing high, Tuesday swing low, because it had a new trend because it had a higher low and then a continuation higher. So just the most recent high and low. So swing high, swing low, same thing here. Actually ignore that line. I label all my lines so you guys understand, but like Wednesdays, swing low, swing high, etc., etc. And then this was well, I think Fridays. I just didn't mark it out, but I should probably mark that out later. But yeah, I just marked out Wednesdays. Technically, Fridays would be swing high would be here, and then swing low on Friday would be what here. Probably just do it now actually. Go the hourly though, just to make sure. Does this Friday? And I probably count this one, so I could probably just on yeah, I could probably mark that as swing low here actually. So this would be Friday. Okay, so you can ask me questions while I'm labeling this, by the way.
Someone in the chat said, "Can you go over how to know when to draw a fib and when it's not valid, and you have to redraw it?"
Yeah, sure. Give me 2 seconds. If you guys wanted to check like my swing levels, this is just it. I didn't mark it yet. So here you guys, if you want to guess and check with what you already did. My Friday swing low and Friday swing high. Also, this one didn't have much volume. Like Friday didn't have much volume because it's half day, and like no one really trades on half days per se. And low key, I slept through it anyway, so I didn't trade it. But yeah, those are swing highs and swing lows. This might be a little choppy for Monday, by the way, just because it wasn't like a full trading day. So there might be a little chop and like it might be like it might sweep it a little bit, but people might not like put their stop losses here just because there's a half day. So it might get a little dirty, but Monday it should be all be fixed. But Monday might be a little choppy just because of Friday. Just for heads up. All right, sorry. Someone read me that question again so I can answer it again in the chat. What was that question? Something about the fib. Can I go over when to draw a fib and when it's not valid? Oh, okay. You literally just draw a fib on the manipulation line. Like, or is a good one? Like here, you know, Monday swing high here, kind of just broke above that. So you draw an manipulation like here. So you just take your fib from top to bottom, right? And then you just like take it basically. But yeah, and then I guess it's invalid if there's another break of structure here. Like there's like another break of structure where it's just like being stupid again. Like, I mean, you also like could draw it here, I guess, because this is technically another break of structure, but like then the fib would be just like retarded. So I guess like this is a break of structure, so top to bottom here. But usually you tend to use the fib that was first like created as long as it's like still valid. Like that fib would have still been valid just because this didn't break this previous swing high, I guess. So you only fibs are only invalidated if like the actual trend is shifted. Like if this high was broken on that fib, like if it moved up here, then this fib that I drew from here to here would have been counted invalid. So I guess like that's the only way a fib would be counted invalid is if either the high or low point on the anchor would have been counted, I guess, like it would have been like reclaimed. So if this high in this case was if this went higher and pushed like to here, then I would have drawn my fib from there to there. So, but since it stayed below it, it doesn't really matter. And you always want to take the first break of structures because, like, it's like I said, it was like last time in class. You don't take every fair value gap that's like created. You just take the first one that was initially respected. So, same thing here. You just take the first break of structure as long as it's like the
네?
high or low doesn't get broken. So,
합니까? 이거 안 썼어.
who was that, bro? I just unmute to laugh. This guy, bro. I heard like someone's mom speaking them in Korean or something. Anyway. Does anyone know who that was, bro?
Do you always draw the bottom of your fib in the
It was Woo.
Oh, it was Woo. Of course Woo's Korean, bro. This guy. Anyway. Sorry, what'd you say?
Do you always draw the fib on the like next closest at like what's it called?
Candle?
Swing low or what external low?
I don't even know what that means.
Like on that one that you just drew right there.
Oh, no, I just drew it because it broke the swing high, so it just broke it. It's just a break of structure. It's the only reason I'm drawing it. Like, if there's no break of structure, it doesn't matter. So, like, if this didn't go above this line, it wouldn't have been valid.
I know, but you. Why did you place the second line of the fib on the second candle and
Oh, on the
not
second
like
candle,
the
because it's
very
still in a
bottom of
downtrend. Like,
that leg?
this is still in a downtrend. Like, it's like a so low, so like lower low, and then a lower high, and then lower low. But it would have been a lower low here, so I would have extended it to the entire leg of that structure. But the structure got broken here with a higher low, so um, that's an uptrend, higher low, higher highs. It's literally just a picture perfect uptrend and downtrend. Same thing like here. Like, I mean, at this point, I'm just going over like how to identify a downtrend. Like, it's literally you just anchor the leg to an uptrend or a downtrend. So if you get a higher high, then this is no longer
So
valid. This is not, yeah, this is an uptrend now, not a downtrend. So I just anchor it from the top to the bottom of the trend, depending on the break of structure. But
Could you anchor a big one from that next candle, that next higher high, to the bottom of that whole leg and
anchor
get
it
like a
here,
no, the other one up above that
here,
one.
this one right here.
Yes, that one, that little one.
Well, that's what I was saying. I mean, you could. I just
From
like
the
don't
top of
tend
that to
to.
the bottom of that leg and get like a bigger range for like a bigger.
Well, I mean, that's what I was saying. Like, I think I went over this like 20 seconds ago, but saying was that you could also draw your fib from like here to here technically. I mean, it'd be like the same almost. Like you just have a little more inaccurate, but it'd be relatively the same. But the reason I don't usually do that unless it like goes above and breaks the structure again is because this one is still higher than this one, and you always draw from your break of structure to the lowest point. So technically, this isn't the candle that's breaking structure technically. So as long as this doesn't go above my highest high, that's the break of structure, it doesn't matter. So like, and technically this one would be more accurate. As you can see, this one like ticks that's a little off, but this one ticks way better, almost to the 2. That's a little off, but it's fine. But like, I gotta move it better. But yeah, almost like ticks to the 2, a little bit, almost like 2 ticks, um, rather than like me drawing it over here and me putting it from here to here, shit, and then to here. Like, I don't know. I just don't like. There's like no need to really move it. I guess so. You could if you wanted to, but I just wouldn't. But yeah. Their questions. Oh, what's a silver bullet, kid? And we're not going over that right now. They're gonna like freaking get autism because they don't understand it. uh, what is the time frame? I'm gonna ban all of you. Do you put the swing bar over the wick or over the body? The wick. Like, I mean, like you guys have to understand. Technically, if I counted this, it would be considered a high. Like a wick, it doesn't matter if it's a wick. Like the candle body could literally look like this. It could be non-existent, but if the wick is fucking, all the way up here, then you would draw the swing high all the way up there because Price technically touched it. So Price wants to go here or has some magnet drawing it here. So the candle body could literally be aligned. Like it could be this thick, it could be that tiny. It could literally it could be non-existent. It could be an empty box, but if the wick is going all the way up here, you place it at the top of the wick. So yeah, for swing highs and swing lows, you place at the wick. It doesn't matter where the candle body is. Candle body could be in fucking Narnia. It doesn't matter. You just draw the line at the wick. Yeah, no problem. Oh, Caden already answered that question, but yeah, sorry, I just give you like extra in case you didn't understand that. Caden, I'm gonna ban you if you ask me what's a candle again. What is a macro and regime filter? What the fuck is that? Bro, can we like ask real questions here? Do I ever use GAN boxes? What do you crack, Isabella? Alright, bro. Let me see this. Alright. How do you figure out your biases? Like, that's kind of vague. Like, what do you mean biases? Like for my day, for my week, like week and day. Well, I already like kind of explained the week. I mean, just like were you paying attention? But you just pull up the weekly chart and you literally like as blank as it is, like this is not rocket science. You just look, does this candle, that most recent candle, look like it's gonna go up or go down? Like, right? We made a lower low, so this looks like a downtrend, right? So technically, my bias coming into this week, if this candle didn't exist, would be that it's going to continue going down. But because this candle broke this high, right? I'm assuming it's going to be in an uptrend. It's just as simple as that. As long as you can identify uptrend and downtrend, that's all it is. Not really that hard. But daily, I mean, daily is kind of irrelevant for biases per se. I mean, you could go on the daily, but I don't really look at the daily except to mark out the daily low. And then once that daily low gets broken, then it becomes like a little bit of a problem. Like then the bias would definitely be shifted if this daily low got like broken. Eventually, price will break this low to have a continuation higher, and then a new low will be formed. But like, what did I say? But like, that's not a problem right now. But yeah. Anyway, so I don't really look at the daily except to draw daily lows, and right now my daily low is down here, so it just like it doesn't really matter, I guess. But yeah, back to the fight. Uh, should I use this session volume profile indicator for my daily swing highs and swing lows to use manually? Yeah, it's manually. It's not an indicator. I literally just like draw this out. I go on the hourly and go the most recent hourly swing high and swing low. I don't go on the daily for that. Should I use a session volume profile indicator? I don't even know what that is. I don't use any indicators. What's your favorite thing to trade during the day? You can. You're my favorite thing to trade during the day. Can I give us an example of your new call out system? I guess I'm just gonna like literally give you my levels. So I'm not like really gonna um I'm not like gonna so I guess for this one, just swing high and swing low. So if highs get swept, just like here, I'll get this one, right? So if highs get swept, you're gonna look for this type of thing, right? You're gonna look for continuation to the downside after highs get swept, and then the upside. So that's what I'm gonna say. So like, let's say highs are here, right? This is your what? This is your high. High gets swept, right? So Friday's high. So I'm gonna like give you the level or whatever of Friday's high. So in this case, Friday's high would be like 686, right? So I'd be like above 686, 63, look for manipulation leg to the downside and continuation off of manipulation leg. That's like pretty much what it would be. Same thing bearish. So like If I did bearish, I just do the same thing here. Do. Boom, fake out, and then boom, continuation here. Swept these highs here, or swept these lows, I guess. So what do you draw here, right? Sweeping, or sorry, Friday's lows. And then it'd be swept here, and I'd say, okay, look for below 685.40, right? And then you'd be like, okay, let me use my brain here, and then it's swept these lows. I'm gonna look for manipulation leg and continuation to the downside. So, same thing here. Obviously, you want to include your weekly bias and all that shit into it. So don't just like trade solely off the fib and solely off like a sweep higher or lower. But that's basically what I'm gonna do. Literally, bro. I'm literally giving you guys layups, bro. Like there should be no reason you guys go red at all. Like I'm literally handing you the ball and you're like prime Shaq holding it right over like the rim. There's no one in like a 20 feet proximity of you. Like you should just dunk it. Like low key all it is. But anyway. Yeah, it's pretty simple. I mean, I'm gonna like kind of add more confluences in, like, I don't know, kind of like teach more and especially when I get into like futures for you guys and like explain futures because futures are like pretty good. Like if you guys don't like trading options in IV, the only reason I like trading options is because you can abuse the contract prices because futures is literally just setting ticks. Like there's no abusing the prices on things, but on options, if like something goes down, like for manipulation legs, like I was saying, like this price action would look like it's going to go down, but it's not. But Robinhood or whatever brokerage doesn't know that. So when you have this setup and you're playing the manipulation like down here, your calls are going to be worth like 20 cents. So you could just like get 10 calls for like $200 to the upside, and then they're going to be worth like $2 here. So then you're just magically up like what is that? Like 500% or something? So that's basically like why I trade options now. But if you were trading futures and it went down, it would just be based in ticks. So then you'd be getting like what is it, Caden? Like a full contract's like $25 a tick or something. So but like 100 ticks, you make $2,500. So it's kind of just like pick whatever you want more or less. But yeah. How can you always be sure it's only manipulation and not a reversal or something like that? Basically, as long as it doesn't like as long as like the manipulation leg isn't breaking like something important, like I guess um okay, this would be a good example. I can't really explain this too much to you guys yet because like you wouldn't understand it. If I explain this to you, you just like wouldn't get it. Not an insult to you guys, but like I don't want to sit here for 5 hours trying to explain this. But technically, this high was still for Monday. So technically, I would have drawn my line here, right? Because this was Tuesday's open. So let's move this line, right? Let's pretend I drew it here, right? You want to look for things that are actually manipulation legs. So here is a manipulation leg technically, or technically this is not a manipulation leg, this is just price action, right? Technically here is the manipulation leg, right? So technically you're waiting for a sweep of the low. Now let's pretend, Apollo, I think that's who asked it, that this line decides to be really Jewish and ignore your strategy and decide to go all the way down here. Because you're waiting for it to like have a massive wick and have a rebound. And your stop loss would probably be like what, 5 points? So like what, like 20 ticks, something like that. So like probably like right there. So your stop loss is here, right? Because your entry is so good, your stop loss should be like barely anything. But if it decides to be Jewish and decide to go all the way down here and like, sweep Friday's swing lows, you're gonna be like, okay, I don't actually think that's gonna go up anymore because, why is it touching 2-day prior lows? So maybe that's like, just maybe that could be a reversal and go into the downside. So it's kind of just like it's really basic understandings, I guess. It's like just to know if it's like a reversal or not. So, literally if it just goes down too much, you could probably assume that it's going to be a reversal and not not just like a manipulation, like, I guess, if that makes sense. But let me just move my line back. There we go. Okay. So yeah, what are the off chances the chart becomes Jewish and skyrockets up and down? Pretty high, you know. People are really Jewish. Yeah, that was a joke. Yeah, I don't really know. It just depends on if it like respects your levels or not. If it doesn't respect your levels, then probably don't get in the trade. What did I miss from yesterday's class? Just like kind of how to place fibs and stuff, and like kind of how to count them valid or not. So if you have any questions to ask me, just go ahead and ask me. But yeah, or you can just like DM me. Either one works. Do you got any low key? What the fuck does that? Are you speaking English, bro? Do you got any low key Robinhood tips to get contracts faster or something? No, I don't like own the brokerage. I don't know, just like have your I have my trading view in my Robinhood on my phone at like the same time. So I literally just have the contract I want pulled up open. So like if I'm like looking for a 682 call for the day, I'll have the 682 call in my amount of contracts I want to buy at my limit price ready. So literally all I click is like confirm and swipe up. So I guess I just like try to make it faster, but there's no like magic to get filled quicker. But yeah. Kaden, I'm gonna like mute you, bro, if you ask some bullshit, bro. I kind of figured out how to use the OT, but it's kind of my own way. I don't know if it's the same as you, but I know how to use the range one. Yeah, I mean, you guys don't have to like follow my strategy to a T. It's just how I trade. Like it could work however you do it if it works. Like there's no like per se perfect way of trading, but there is like a way to trade. Like you can't just like, I don't know if you guys watch that TikTok that I sent an options alert, but you can't just like make up lines and say this is resistance and it's gonna magically bounce off um fucking Narnia. But so you guys like kind of have to have an assumption. Um the range one, okay, like the range one is pretty simple. The range one is literally just a prediction of where price is gonna bounce off of. So we'll just use this as an example again, right? So breakup structure here broke highs, right? So boom, bottom to top, or right? So your range is from the top of this to around 2 to 2.5. That's usually my anchor points for when I want to get in the trade. Unless I shorted it, then my range would be around 1.5 to 2 if I'm going to play the manipulation leg. But if we're doing the range specifically for what it's meant for, you're going to want to go to the -2. So I guess you're just drawing it from the top of the manipulation leg to the bottom of that same leg, and then just waiting for price to reach your entry point of your anchor point. So that's basically all range is. It's just giving you a range of when price should reverse, um, in a nutshell, basically. How does Zakir trade? I have no clue. Ooh. Yeah, no problem. No freaking problem. Whoa, whoa, whoa. In your trading journey, did you only stick to this? I basically just like went to ICT, I guess, like ICT concepts, and then I kind of made my own strategy out of it. That I found that worked more because like the thing about strategies is that your strategy will not work in like 6 months, a year. Like your strategy, you have to continue to update your strategy and you have to continue to like realize what the market wants to do and realize what you're looking at in the market because the market itself doesn't have doesn't have emotions, doesn't have anything else. The market literally is looking for inefficiencies for it to fix. Like the market is a quant model trying to fix itself so no one can take advantage of it. So basically, you have to like continue to update your strategy. So I guess in a way, this like the conceptual idea of my strategy has been the same throughout the entirety of my trading journey, but have like changed 1,000 times because markets changed 1,000 times. So you guys like you guys have to like understand what you're trading, number one, number two, how the market moves, and number three, that you have to update it. Like this is not going to stay the same forever and ever and ever. can you show an example of your OTE fib in this first class I've been able to attend? What did I say? OTE fib, I mean, I don't really use it to be honest. Like, I mean, it's more in the video. I don't even have like the preset here. Like when I want my OTE fib, it's literally when I just had like a trash entry or I missed something. So kind of just reference that Google Drive video that I had for you guys in the options alert. I have my OTE video in there, but there's nothing really, I guess, relevant in what I'm teaching right now about the OTE because you're literally playing off the entry. So there's not really a need for the OTE fib per se, unless you just unless it's just straight chop. Like if it looks like this and it has like a gap and there's just chop, then you might want to use it, I guess, per se. But usually I don't use it, so just like reference that video. It's probably gonna give you a better understanding than what I guess I could give you. But yeah, so the OT fib is good, just like it's kind of more niche than the ranges. Do I do this strategy to find levels in other stocks? Not really, because those stocks aren't as because SPY is technically ES, it's just on the ETF. That's why I trade SPY, because it has more volume and a lot of stuff like AMD and Tesla and Google and all that stuff. I just look for more basic things because it's not as like technical as SPY is. So there's not as many inefficiencies and all that stuff. And it's also like a lot harder to make money on Google and stuff like that. Like if you actually try to trade it, because price action is a little different for companies, like company specific. Like the SPY and like the index of the S&P 500 is not just one company, it's like a group of things, and then the market moves like in a joint, like it's like the NASDAQ. Like the NASDAQ, you can trade it a lot easier because it's a conjunction and it's like a math model of 5 billion different companies versus like the one Tesla company. So, and then it's also subject to a lot more change when you trade like Google and stuff like that, because one thing about the company could fuck you. I mean, I guess one thing that Trump says could also fuck you if you trade SPY and like NASDAQ and stuff, but you're a lot less likely to get like raped and bent over when something in the market goes wrong, I guess, or something with the company goes wrong. Because if Elon says, "Hey guys, I'm selling my Tesla shares," or if Elon says something wrong, Tesla's going to take a way bigger hit and it'll drop like 20%. Versus like when Trump said tariffs, the SPY just dropped what, like 3%. So it's kind of just like, I don't know, you kind of like gotta understand that too. How big is the difference between trading index, forex, commodities? I have different handles, tick targets, and different kinds, but what do you think? I mean, definitely like it should vary across things. Like, I'll probably just talk to you in VC about that, Caden. But yeah, it varies across um like tick targets and stuff because all markets are different. So, do I go about updating it? It is like a long answer, I guess, but it's literally just like you have to like sit here and back test why. Like you have to update it when your trades start losing. Like when you see something that like should have hit, like you're like, okay, I've seen this setup like 500 times. Why the hell didn't it work? That's when you like kind of take a step back and go and like reevaluate what the market's doing, and then you gotta like go back test it. But it's more like your strategy, something that should have worked didn't work or something like that. Um, also that gap earlier on SPY needs to be filled at some point, right? Which gap? The one up here? Yeah, it needs to be filled at some point. So, um, I mean, I'd like to see it like have like a pullback Monday to like around here probably, and then like have a continuation here, like upside. Um, but yeah, gaps are they need to be filled. It's not like it can't just sit there forever. I mean, like this gap technically hasn't even been filled yet either. So that's what I'm saying. I kind of want to see downside. Like this gap hasn't been filled either yet. Like this gap got filled, but like that's what I'm saying. Like there's a gap here, gap here, and then there's also this daily low that needs to be taken out before price can continue to go to the upside. So I expect this daily low to be taken out relatively soon before we see new all-time highs, I guess. But Yeah, I expect a like market dump soon. So what was I? I don't even know like what Oh, how often does the news mess with your strategy? Not very often. Just when Trump says like tariffs or something, but or like the Fed decides to say no rate cuts or something like that. Basically, whenever like they decide to scare the entire population of America. So not too often, maybe like once or twice a year it might annoy me, but sometimes it's really good though. Like sometimes like on the tariff thing, when Trump was like tariffs, I was literally in a put, bro. And then I take a look away from my screen and like my candle was like past like my chart, like where my chart was. So I see like a giant like red candle of doom. And I made like 100K off of like a 20K. I don't know. I made a dumb amount of money on that, but it was like an accident. So sometimes it goes your way. Sometimes you like lose 100% of whatever you're making. But yeah, so it's kind of just like a little sketchy, but usually doesn't happen very often. So if it goes past a certain point range on your fit, it's most likely make it invalid. I mean, not really a certain point. It's just like if price action like decides to ignore like a bunch of confluences and just not like listen to what it's supposed to be doing, then it's kind of just like invalid. So, do you have any videos of you back testing your like examples in general? Literally just go back and find breaks of structures, mark out your highs and lows for swing highs and swing lows in the hourly, test your fibs yourself. Like literally, I'm showing you how to back test it. Like literally, just draw whatever I have screen shared here. Go look for manipulation legs over under. Draw your fibs, bullishly and bearishly, and then literally you'll just see how it like happens day after day. So that's like the best way to say. Like that's literally how you back test it. What should I go study right now not to be sped? I mean, you're like low-key not retarded, so I don't think you need to study anything. Probably just watch more ICT videos, like I guess understand the charts more. Like I need to do the same thing, but you're pretty fine off right for right now. So basically, we see bullish momentum, but need to see how price will react at open to make a stronger bias. Wait, what? Need to see bullish momentum, but we need to see how price will react in the open. Wait, what are you like referring to? Or I don't know what that even means. I was just yapping, so I don't remember what I was saying. Do I always have a 15-point stop loss? Uh, I mean, I it's kind of like more for you guys, but usually your goal is like, I mean, not don't take this literally, but your goal is like never have a stop loss. Like your stop loss should be so minuscule because you know how good your entry is. Like you honestly your entry is probably more important than your stop loss because if you have a good entry, you shouldn't need a stop loss. Like that kind of concept. So usually I try to aim for like a 15% stop loss max because it shouldn't need to go below that. Now, if I do have a bad entry and I acknowledge that and then I see like the charts are still falling what I'm trying to do, I'm probably gonna extend my stop loss, but usually you shouldn't even have to worry about a stop loss because your entry should be fine. Am I sped? No, you're not sped. This was talking about the gap, but you went on a tangent. Oh yeah. Well, no, yeah, I answered that question. Literally, just like the gap needs to be filled at a certain point. Like it can never just go unfilled. Like that, you'll see downside eventually. So that's why I was saying why I want to see this daily low get taken out for us to have a continuation higher because then our daily low gets put higher, right? Because then this daily low gets taken out, you have a continuation higher, then this daily low gets removed. So same thing. Um, but yeah, so you need to see like bearish, bullish because it doesn't need to do that. Do you have our dollar cost average? No. Dollar cost averaging. Actually, yes, I do. What the hell was I saying? I mean, yeah, but like really rare senses. Like it's only when I have a bad entry will I dollar cost average. Like dollar cost averaging is for people like Easton and Two Swords who have bad entries on their swing trades or bad entries on their I don't even know how the hell they trade, but bad entries like that. And then they have to dollar cost average. So like basically the only point of dollar cost averaging is if you have a shitty entry and you just try to make your shitty entry less shitty. That's basically all it is. Like you shouldn't need a dollar cost average because your entry should be so good. So I don't really dollar cost average, right? Oh yeah, the one where they're like moving in the katana. Yeah, that shit was funny. Stop loss over gold? What the fuck are you talking about, Kaden? Oh, silver. I'm fucking retarded. Yeah, silver over gold. My bad, my bad. I was like, what the fuck are you talking about, right? Alright, BM, I'm gonna ban you, bro. Don't even start. Dun, 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 dun. I'm kidding. I'm joking. I would never ban you. Yeah, any more questions though? I think I answered like everything like 5 times low key, so about Kaden, shut up. Who made this guy admin, bro? Deadass. Low key, bro. I don't even know why half the kids in here are admins, bro. Like this server is such a troll, bro. Like this server is like the biggest joke I've ever been in, bro. Alright, we got Jerry over here every single day, just fucking talking about gooning in a circle, bro. And this guy's the most unprofitable like loser who loses all his money and then complains to me. So I don't really know like how this server functions, to be honest. But at the end of the day, we just mark out days high and low. Yeah, basically every single day you take the swing high and swing low of every single day, literally day after day after day. Um, and just mark it out high and low, high and low, high and low, and then wait for them to get sweeped, and then continuation higher, lower, etc., etc., etc. So it's really, really basic. Like this is literally, I just have a fundamental strategy like paired with some smart things. Like it's pretty easy. Saucy a dictator, low key, yeah, low key, yeah, bro. Like who even are half the staffs? Bro, I don't even know who Two Swords friends are, bro. I don't even know like what this server is, to be honest. Like, I mean, like he is like, oh shit. Wait, I'll have to talk to X after this, bro. Like this recording is low. This shit is low key being recorded, bro.
The
It's
man
cool
didn't care
though.
last time.
Bro, it's cool though. It's cool though. It's cool. Spiky.
Yo, what's up? What's up, Kaden? What's
Yeah.
up, Saucy?
What's up, bro? Yeah, no, this it's low key being recorded, so
What's
I
up, Hort?
might have to tell Sam to cut that out.
What's up,
But
Deb? What's up, BMO?
anyway,
I mean, I just like straight up called them like a Jew like last recording. Like,
dude, literally, bro, I'm like shitting on them so hard, bro, and this is bro, me and fucking Spiky are just like dog shitting on this guy in his
bro.
own like recording, bro. Wait,
But
let me
like, that's
call
actually
Sam
a
and
Jew,
tell him.
bro. Like, he like tried to
He's
give my
such
friend
a
a
Jew,
discount.
bro.
Like,
He's such a
bro.
Jew, bro.
What
I'm telling him right now
are you telling him? What's going
to
on?
fucking cut out us like shit talking him in Easton, bro.
Oh shit, guys, you got last time. Oh shit, I had Valorant like open for like, dude, for like 12 hours now. What the hell?
Bro, this guy.
I just left it in like the background.
But yeah, Loki, I just like called him a Jew and shit.
Yeah, me too. I mean,
But yeah, bro, I do. I will get you on a Discord server if I make one, or if it's already made. Who knows? But just kidding. Anyway, um, but like, yeah,
yo,
this
Two Sources
server
is
is,
definitely stalking this chat, bro.
bro, this server is so Jewish, bro. This server is so Jewish, bro. Like, this server is so Jewish, bro. But yeah, anyway, server's definitely up. But yeah, so Loki, I don't even care if I get banned, bro. I don't even care anymore, bro. I don't care. Yeah, guys, I have my own server, bro. I do. I don't even like I don't like tell anyone to join it. I just like talk with like Spiky and shit in there, but like yeah. User's gonna like find out, someone's gonna tell him, and then I'm gonna get insta banned, and y'all are never gonna see me again. But but yeah.
It's like a
Yeah,
ticking
I
time
just have
bomb.
my server where I just like literally talk to Spiky and talk to like Caden, but like I don't really do anything about it, bro. But yeah. Anyway, um, yeah, so I don't know what I will be doing in the near future. But I'm Loki probably gotta get booted anyway, bro. Two Swords keeps like yelling at me and asking me if I'm gonna leave the server. So
Like the last guy, like Destroyer, bro. Like no one remembers him.
literally, bro. But yeah, so yeah, eventually I'm probably gonna like leave this like Jewish ass server. Um, but like I mean, if you guys want to come with me, bro, I don't really care. But like,
Down low as like
we're
he
about to
just
have
types in
like the
chat.
fattest, we're about to have like the fattest beef with freaking Two Swords, bro. Yo, he's probably gonna go through the logs and be fucking confused as hell. Like, but yeah, like I was like talking about like the server last time, like with Apollo and stuff, and like I guess someone told Two Swords, and I didn't even make anything, bro. And then I just got like insta snitched on, bro. Like I wasn't even talking about anything, bro. But but yeah, so like I look, he like
Hmm.
he can't even. The thing is, bro, he can't even ban me because if I leave, his server dies, bro. So, and then like he doesn't even pay me, bro. I literally basically just run this kid's server, and he's like making like 20K a month, bro. And I just like I'm just here for free, bro. Like, like, bro. I mean, not that I want his freaking Jewish ass money anyway, but like this guy, bro. This freaking guy. I mean, like I'm just like here for free, bro. 10 mil challenge going. Oh, I already like finished it. I just never sent y'all a screenshot about it. But but yeah. So keep this part in the recording. Yeah, bro. I'm a that's like a speed run to like get me banned, bro. Me and Spike are gonna be gone so fast.
We're vaporized. Holy shit.
Yes, bro. We're about to be like ashes, bro. Y'all are never gonna see us again. We're gonna be like insta banned, bro. So, but yeah. Um, but yeah. So,
As he
um,
continues charging
who
my
knows? I
card.
might like launder his server. I might be like, "Yo, bro, I'm trying to make my own server," and then I'll like peep a link and options alerts, and then, and then I'm gonna get banned like immediately. Anyway,
Some
actually,
guy
I'm probably
delete
not
this
gonna be
chat
that.
though.
I'm not gonna be like that much of an asshole. I'm probably gonna tell him I'm making a new server eventually, but I mean, because it's not like open for the public yet. Like I'm not. I don't want to. Like no one's in my server, so it doesn't matter. But like eventually, I do want it to be something. I just want to make it an education server, like where people like. I probably will eventually charge for it just because I'm like gonna like make videos and stuff for people. But like, um, Caden, you're literally in it, bro. Shut up, Caden. But yeah. So yeah, eventually I'll like just make it into like an education server, but like yeah. Loki, I don't care if I get banned anymore, bro. He can't even ban me, bro. He's gonna like lose everything if he bans me, bro. Caden slide the invite. Caden don't invite anyone yet. But yeah, so oh yeah, we'll get to there. You guys can come eventually, but big man upstairs. Yeah. Um we'll get you guys eventually. I'll send DM $59. Nah, bro, charge him the $100, Apollo. $100 an invite.
Snapchat group chat.
Yeah, bro. I don't have Snap. That's all them. But $1,000, take it or leave it. $50, bro. Oh yeah, but like, what do you get out of the $50 though, Dev? Like low key, bro. What do you? I mean, besides me, obviously, but like, what do y'all get out of?
You actually wonder because he like upcharged like the price.
Y'all can join early for 10K. Yeah, 10K lifetime, guys. If you want to have lifetime, 10K. 10K for lifetime. I'm also like probably gonna work on my like own trading view indicator eventually. Me and Spikey will probably work on
Oh
that.
yeah, that's what I was like doing like earlier.
Yeah, but yeah, me and Spikey can work on our own trading view indicator, so you guys can like put on your trading view. But
Bro, lifetime for the server is like 800 fucking bucks.
What the fuck? Who is paying that?
I don't know, bro.
It's
Like
like,
a few people
no,
bought it, bro.
Trill or whatever his name is, bro. I think he's lifetime. I think there's like two people.
But yeah, how did I even meet Two Swords? I low-key just joined the server to find people who knew what they were talking about, and all I found was a bunch of Jews who don't know how to trade. So Yeah.
Easton.
Yeah, bro. I literally have his live alerts muted, bro.
Well, you
I
can
have
do
this
that?
shit muted. Yeah, bro. I just muted the channel, bro. I don't listen to any. I have Katana Room muted. I literally have I have this whole server muted. Like I go in here to check options alerts because like I talk to y'all, but like I have the entire server muted. Like I don't have a single notification from the server.
Nice, bro. Nice.
So yeah,
Dude,
but
all I remember is like one morning, fucking Easton asking you how to place an options trade, bro. Like,
yeah.
I
But
remember
y'all are
just like
like
him
low key
tweaking
gonna
about
have to
our.
like cancel all your subscriptions, and we're gonna have to like delete this entire chat if you want to join because he's gonna
But it
ban
makes
you
it hurt
so
as shit to
fucking
like
fast.
cancel it. By the way, like
Oh yeah,
he
yeah.
DMs you like the millisecond you cancel it. I'm not even joking.
Yeah,
Like
but
that
you're
shit.
gonna have to like you're gonna have to cancel and then what was I gonna say, bro? And then but he's gonna like insta ban me, bro. How do you cancel? You have to like open a ticket or some shit, bro.
The service is useless.
I don't
bro, I
pay for
only
the
paid
server,
one
so it
time.
doesn't
I don't know
matter.
why people like pay for multiple months, bro.
He's lying about his profits too. Like he's not putting like 30K in like these like fuck ass microcaps.
Yeah, but anyway, so y'all gonna have to like cancel and stuff. But like, yeah, low key, bro.
Or you actually think we're gonna be cooked?
I'm about to get banned so fast if anyone like says anything that I just said. Like me and Spikey are actually gone in 5 seconds. Like I'm not
Yeah,
even kidding.
yeah.
He will
Like it's a
ban the
ticking
whole
time bomb
audience,
like right
bro.
now. Like bro, if he just like peeps chat, like we are vaporized.
Yeah, if he peeps live,
Yeah.
he's literally, bro. If he peeps live, me and Spikey are gone in 5 seconds. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. So,
Bro, I don't think
if
I've
you
learned a
guys,
single thing from Two Swords or like Easton or like whatever. What's that other guy like Creamstar or some shit?
oh yeah, bro, freaking bow trades, y'all my liquidity, dead ass, bro. But yeah, so, um, but basically, yeah, bro, Caden, dead ass, bro. Caden pays to freaking help y'all, bro. But yeah, if y'all want to join, you can. I mean, I'm gonna like eventually. I'll probably give you like an OG discount, but like low key, I'm probably gonna end up like making it into an education server. I'll probably just like honestly, I don't even know if I probably won't make y'all pay. I'll probably only get like cold people to pay, but like, but yeah, I'm gonna start making videos and stuff. So I'm actually like put time and effort into it where I can give you all the videos and stuff. But like, I'll probably just give y'all like free lifetime if you guys join or something. But like for all the new people, I'll probably make them pay normal amounts. But yeah, I don't. Y'all can like have it for free, bro. I don't really care, bro. Y'all can. Everyone in this server can join for free, bro. I don't care, bro. Y'all can have free lifetime in my server. But yeah. Anyway, but yeah. So I don't know, but y'all can't leak, bro. I'm not even
I didn't
kidding,
even
bro.
like get to this topic.
Me and Spikey are gone so fast. We were talking about how shit Two Swords is, bro. That's what we were talking about. Like, and then I started talking about how I'm gonna make my own server and I don't want to be in here anymore because it's like
Oh
terrible.
shit.
But yeah, who the fuck is spamming me, bro? I need to mute them. Wait, hold on, notification.
Yeah, I feel like send me like a friend request or like a message I
Yes,
can put. That's
add,
like
yeah,
please
everyone
like say something, bro. Like please say something first.
add Spiky to me so you guys can like join before I get freaking like neutralized, bro. Not the auto mods, bro. Yeah.
You guys like so stingy about like
Nah, Caden, you can leak, bro. I
$20,
don't
bro.
care. You can leak, Caden. Yeah, we need to work on the server anyway right now. Like it's not finished or anything, but you guys can join it. Yeah, Spike, you can invite whoever adds you.
Should I like start inviting them or?
Yeah, you can invite them. I set it up to where like I'm adding like perms and stuff, but yeah, just everyone to add Spikey and he can invite y'all. But I'm making it like tonight probably.
It's like setting up like I have like a friend that
Appreciate it,
bot as
Saucy,
well.
bro. Need to get out of fucking Two Sword shit.
Yeah, bro.
Jesus.
This
But
shit's
no,
ass.
like actually, bro, if any of you guys say anything, I'm like we're actually gone so fast. Like,
Oh my god.
we're fucking
Oh
gone
my
in 2
god, I have
seconds.
so many friend
I need to
requests.
hurry up and cancel my membership.
You gotta like make a ticket. I don't even know how it works, bro. You gotta like make a ticket or some shit, bro. But if he
Alright, man.
asks why, bro, you cannot be telling me it was me.
I'm
Bro.
not, bro. His shit's as I used to trade like his call outs and he lost me fucking bread. He hits like 1 out of 10 of his trades and then posts it in free chat and saying like telling people to join up and shit. Him and
He
Easton.
acts like he caught the
Easton's
whole
dumb
move.
as fuck.
Like, he did not
Easton's
catch the
dumb as
like,
fuck.
move.
Bro, I literally talked about this. Like, I never did options, and that's the only time that I've been like super negative. Was when I
Nah,
fucking took two swords callouts because I was like new to trading, and I was like, "Oh, is it normal to lose 100?" And he's like, "Traders quit within the first 6 months," and I was like, "All right, bro."
Nah, Easton be talking about some swing trades and then he's like, guys, get out, get out, get out. And then he's like, just made 50% like after the bullish run this week, bro. He's like, y'all listen to my call outs.
Bro, I remember like Easton like saying he doesn't even have like 100 like in the sport.
Nah, Easton trades with like $10.
Yeah.
Cause he used to do like
Still.
free trades like in the trading chat, and then he's like, I just lost $20. Like, and he was like dead pressed.
Jesus.
Easton's retarded.
Yeah, like he was like the reason like why I almost didn't even like buy in the server in the first place.
I dead ass just be in here because Saucy's call outs and shit.
Let's see. Like a dance minute wait. Yeah, we look, you still gotta set up the server. I'll like try to do that as well.
But yeah. Anyway, so what was I gonna say? I don't even know. Sorry, someone called me. I was like, fucking stop talking for a second.
Two swords gonna read the transcript of this fucking call or some shit. Saucy.
I'm banned in 2 seconds. I'm not kidding. Banned in 2 seconds. Actually, Loki, bro, they gave me
Like,
admin roles. I think I can like nuke the server if I wanted to. I don't even know how to do that. I don't know how to use Discord really well. Like, I just know how to like post shit, but like I don't know how to.
my
Bro, I
friend
don't
and I
use
should be able
Discord
to
at
like
all.
to set up properly.
Yeah,
Or
bro,
just
I
like my
don't even
friend.
know why I'm admin, bro. I don't do anything. I just like troll on this server and give you guys money, but like, that's about it. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro, because like me and Spike were talking about it, bro. If I fucking nuke the server, bro, that he would be so fucked because none of y'all would be able to cancel. And he would just like
I mean, you can go on Stripe and
indefinitely.
cancel. I'm pretty sure, like log in with your Stripe email that you paid
Yeah,
with.
bro, he would like indefinitely fucking steal your guys' like $50 or whatever.
I mean, theoretically, if you guys like, I'll like dispute against it, like I'll get
Oh
flagged.
yeah,
Surely.
and then you can like dispute it. But
Let's all just sue two swords, bro.
yeah, bro. But anyway. But yeah, so if you guys like, you guys have to cancel first, and then like obviously. But I need like, I'm actually like trying to make this into like an education community where you guys can like fucking learn and like. I was thinking about it, Spiky. We should like, I was gonna have like different VCs set up for like Asia session trading and like
Yeah.
London and I was gonna say in New York, then options trading, and I was gonna set up a bunch of VCs and stuff. So it's actually like a community, but like give you London sessions. I got you, Kaden. But like yeah, and then I was gonna make like roles like I was gonna make it like a Japanese like monarch system. So they're gonna be monarchs, nobles, sovereigns, and then shining knights and stuff like that. So I thought it was pretty cool. Um, but yeah, so I was gonna make it like pretty cool like that. But yeah, Spiky, change our roles to what the fuck is it called? Change our roles to monarch
Actually, let me do it real quick.
instead of owners.
Is
And
there
then
like
make our
any
like
emojis? Yeah, like you
no, just monarch. And then
yeah.
make the color like a pink, like a light pink. That'd be pretty dope.
Do you have a specific like color code you want me to use?
I don't know. It's like a
sorry.
light pink or something like that. Yeah. But
It's
can I
good,
be
like,
awesome
color.
main character? Hayden, you're already a sovereign, bro.
Shit. What do you like
And
the
then
wait? Did it?
I was gonna make another server, or like not make another server. I was gonna be another server with X, is the one who's recording here. He's just on mute right now. Zakir. I was gonna make another server with him, And then we were gonna like do call outs and stuff in there if you guys want to do that one too. So there's I guess 2 servers that I'm gonna be doing with one with Spiky for education, and then like one with him. So I did like the one with X a long time ago. We just never like did anything. But yeah, so I guess I'm in like 2 servers. But yeah. So
That'd be huge.
I don't know if
yeah,
you want the
one for
ping
like
to be
call outs,
lighter.
and then me and Spiky we're gonna be like an education server. So
Just
Alright,
like a
bet.
chill community.
that's yeah. Me and Spiky. I don't. Me and Spiky just want to have a community. We don't care to
Bro,
fucking.
Saucy, what like, bro? What even like is like the positive of you being in this server, bro? Like that ass though. Like,
Fucking nothing, bro. I don't get paid. I don't like. I literally run his server for him. Like, this guy
does he ever
Loki
like
makes
say like thank you for like making people money? Cause like I
no,
don't. Or something, or
no, bro.
what?
All he does is like tell me that he needs me to stay in here. One time he asked me what would it take me to stay, and I just said like nothing. Like literally, you can give me no amount of money that will keep me in this Jewish server, bro.
But like when I like found out like you guys like none of the staff team got like paid, bro. I was actually surprised.
Yeah, bro. No one got paid, bro. No one gets paid in this server.
So he just like has like minions, bro. Like what the fuck? Like
I mean, Easton's like his little good boy. Like,
he's
Yeah.
such a good boy for him.
and then I guess like Bo trades like Creamster or whatever. He's like a little Bo. Is like a little good boy now too. So
Dude, that dude like probably like lost hella money and then like create a new like fucking profile and shit, bro. Like
but bro,
I don't even
yeah, I don't even know, bro. Like
I don't
I actually
understand.
don't know what the fuck this server is. Bro. Holy,
Like
yeah,
what
I
he
can.
says, bro. Like when I started learning training, like I learned more off of like 5 YouTube videos and just like immediately knew like two swords is just like straight bullshit.
No, bro. He sent me like because I was dogging on their strategy, and then he sent me this guy, and he goes, "Yeah, like my strategy is just." He literally the strategy he's explaining to you guys is someone else's course. Like,
Bro,
he bought some dude's like on TikTok's course seller, like course or whatever, like one-on-one mentorship program, and he's just like, that's his strategy.
bro, it's
So
so funny to me whenever he's like in the VIPs, like, can you guys give it a like and stuff? Like, I'm shadow banned.
yeah, bro. I think he bought his followers. I can't lie,
That's actually insane.
because like he has like 10.4K followers or something, but he has no, uh, no engagement. So
That's so weird. That's so weird.
yeah, so I don't really know, but yeah, if I get banned randomly, you know.
We know.
Yeah, but
Wake up and
did you change the
change to like
yeah?
pink. Let me know if you want it like lighter, like
Oh, let me look. So I didn't
yeah.
look at it yet. Let me check it. Did you
You might
make
have to like refresh like Discord.
okay. Make it like a little darker, like a flamingo pink. I don't know if that makes sense.
Oh yeah, no, I know.
Bro, I've never used Discord. You can just like make a server and do it whatever you want.
Basically, bro.
Bro, that's kind
Or
of that's
Spiky,
kind of cool.
I'm sending you a picture of like kind of the idea here, like that type of pink Spiky.
Wait,
I'm DMing it to you. Give me 2 seconds.
just change to wait. Let me see.
Like that, like a little darker, but yeah.
Gray. Actually,
But yeah. Anyway, so check my DMs, Kaden.
you might have to like refresh Discord for it to update.
Yeah, I just refresh it.
Actually, okay.
Did you change it again for the pink?
I think I did. Wait, I didn't save it.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
that's better. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, yeah. That's
Wait, I
better.
just changed it. Okay.
Yeah, this
Can
is
add
fire,
like
bro.
immersion as well.
This is fire, bro. Yeah. Okay, bye. Hold on. But yeah, so any actual like questions about the strategy? Or y'all just want to like, sit here and chill. But yeah, so
Wait, Saucy, ICT concepts on YouTube, or do you just like where do you find
oh
them?
no, like it's literally just like I mean you can look up ICT concepts, but like it's literally just um what the fuck is it called? It's literally like ICT is just like a concept. Like it's just like it's an idea behind trading. It's not per se like what the fuck is it called? It's not per se like what the hell am I saying, bro? Um I don't even know what I'm saying. It's like a concept. It's not like a way to trade, I guess. It's just like the idea that price moves in like sequences. So like things that happen are just repetitive. So like I guess like liquidity
You mean like
sweeps is an
fractals?
example. Yeah, like it's basically just like price moves in like repetitive time periods. Basically, is the whole point of ICT. But you can have
It's
that
just
other
like
opinion.
understanding like what the market is doing. Like just like kind of like more like a language to understand the markets rather.
Yeah, basically. But I'm like sending you guys all the invites if you guys want it. But
Yo, Saucy, do you need help like setting up your Discord?
oh yeah, Caden and like BMO and stuff already have it. So. And
All right,
Spiky
bet.
knows how to do it. So yeah.
Yeah, like
All right,
Polygon
bet,
like
bet, bet, bet.
knows how to do like pretty well like as well.
I
Like
bet.
he like
I just
like
sent you
working.
the invite port. So
Appreciate it. Yeah, I got it.
what is the and channel?
Announcements, but
Oh,
actually
announcements. Okay, but
I should probably like change it. Like people
I
like
was like, what
like
the
get the
fuck?
abbreviation.
Slang, bro. I've never heard of that.
Okay, maybe like info or something. Just
Yeah,
something.
and
You can
then
change it later.
yeah, bet. Oh wait, anime is my profile. It's from Blue Lock. It's not like this is not actually any anime. It's like a little like drawing spin-off, but it's like a soccer anime.
It's a
But
what?
this
anime?
the it's a soccer anime, so like it's like a like soccer.
Oh,
Saucy, you
shit.
play soccer?
Ah, I used to, not anymore.
Saucy, you
Bro.
did you play,
Where
did you
at?
play like club ball or what?
Oh yeah, I played club ball.
Oh shit, what team?
Can't leak.
Oh wait, no, my fault. That's a weird ass question. My fault.
No, you're good. You're good.
Nah, just cause I
What
like
position?
play. Yeah, what
I was a
position?
forward.
Like a striker, like winger.
Yeah.
Shit,
I play center back.
I'm a midfielder, bro. Let's run up a futsal team, bro. Fuck it.
Bet, bro.
Bro,
Yeah,
where you
we
play
can
at?
definitely do like at one point we can do like a server soccer game or something.
I'm down.
We could do soccer betting.
Exactly, bro. We can bro, and then I want like the server to have like gambling nights. Like every time we're profitable, we
Bro.
can like run
Yeah, just
run
like
Bro, I'm
DGen
so
nights.
down. I need to gamble.
on like
Fire, bro.
on slots and shit, bro. That's like me and Kaden and stuff do it already, and like other servers and like our own servers. So we have like VC. We just screen share slots or like screen share mines. So we
Yeah,
can
that's
definitely
fucking
like.
fire. I want to do mine so bad. I feel like
Mine's
it's
is so fucking annoying.
Now, y'all gotta tap in with like something called Kenzo. This one guy rents like 1,000 the other day, but he was up like 10
Kenzo.
bands at one point.
There, yeah, bro. Gambling is actually so fun. So we're gonna have like every time yeah, Kaden won 24x because we got all the mines. 24x.
That's
Yeah. Anyway,
crazy.
4x.
yeah.
Now, this one
Anyway,
kid that I know hit 64x on the Kenzo shit.
What the?
He
insane, bro.
he was down 800, and then the last one he did, bro, he like 100x'd his whole money,
Bro.
and then he rinsed all that shit.
No, yeah. But yeah, we're gonna have like gambling nights and stuff in there, and then like every profitable day, we're gonna have like a gambling night. But probably like once or twice a week, and then we're gonna have like daily recaps of like our trading and stuff, and then
I'm hearing like an actual productive, good community server instead of some like bullshit money.
yeah, we're gonna have like actual like active recaps of trades, like where if daily Q&As about why I took my trade, because I have like a channel that's like called Trade Recap. I'm just gonna post like the weekly recaps. The only people who should be able to type in there should be me and Spiky. It should just be me and Spiky like weekly, just weekly recaps of trades and stuff. And then
Like
on like I'm gonna give y'all roles in a sec, but on like the premium access for whoever like buys it or whatever, there's gonna be like a trades like that I like call out my trades and stuff for the week. But what was I gonna say? Um, so yeah, I don't know. We're actually like,
That's
gonna
so
make this like
cool,
a
bro.
community
How much do you think
server.
you're gonna charge for a premium?
It sounds like a lot, but I don't really think it is. But for y'all, probably nothing. But like for other people, I'm probably gonna charge like $100.
All right,
Bro, I
yo,
think
Caden.
it's not even that's not crazy, Saucy, because like bro, the amount of like education you'll actually get, the amount of like effort you're putting into, or like you and like Spiky, and then like how much they're gonna make, bro, they're gonna realize in like 3 months that it's like hundreds nothing.
Yeah, and then like if people are actually in a community, they're gonna like want to stay and stuff. People are like make friends in the community and stuff. So.
Right.
And just like
Yeah, and we
a
can say
community that just
whatever
like
we want.
feels more real.
Yeah, you can say whatever the fuck you want, bro. I
Yeah,
don't really
fuck
care.
the Jews, bro.
Just don't
It's like
be
just tone
like
it.
super overly gay.
Yeah.
We can have like a staff chat for all the OGs for us to, like joke around in, but like we can but like for like the normal text chat, like the one that's like we're all typing in right now, we're gonna have to like erase some of the stuff because we can't have like fucking us saying we're gonna goon to someone. They're
We
gonna
gotta
like
like
think we're
somewhat
weird.
like keep up
Didn't
like
teach Silver
appearances.
Bullet, bro. Like, didn't teach Silver
Yeah.
Bullet.
We gotta keep up appearances a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like if you want like
but, like, we
whatever
can-
would be easier, like we could have like separate like trader caps, like Saucy's trader
Yeah,
caps
we
or
can just
Canary
have
caps.
like a OG chat room that we can make in a second. I'll make it later, but yeah, me and Spike will work on this server. But you guys can type in the normal chat for now. But
I like one should work in the server like tonight.
yeah,
What
and then me
about
and
like
X will
people
have
like
that me and X will have the other server of like the call out server that I'm making with him soon. I'll have that's already made and up. If you guys want that one too, I can invite y'all. But yeah, that one's already made and up. That's just for call outs and stuff like that. So, but yeah. So yeah. Anyway,
no, yeah, that sounds cool, bro. I just like seeing what you guys take, cause like I just like
yeah,
reference if I'm doing like well or not, or if I'm like in the same range, or just like if I'm learning and progressing and stuff. Like that's all it really is.
yeah,
Like,
The live trading definitely helped me a little bit with like learning how to use the fibs this week for sure.
yeah.
I get like buy like a 14 like server boost like right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any prop firms you guys would suggest?
Oh yeah, Spikey got you, bro.
Yeah, I actually made like a list of like, the prop firms I like bought even like more yesterday. If I find it.
Would you guys suggest like, cause I'm still kind of like a beginner that like I trade with my own capital or like just get it funded?
Honestly, like if you have like low cap cookies, like for me as well, like I'm like at least like a 500k port to like just fucking gamble it away on like 0TT, and I'd say like just like profit. It's just like the amount of leverage you can have. Like
Yeah.
it's actually
It is,
insane, and it's
okay.
never been easier to just like kind of spawn money out of nowhere. Technically,
So like then right now with like Black Friday and like Cyber Monday, what would be like the best funded to get right now?
uh, like I can post it in like the VC chat.
Okay.
I like take profit trader. It just like kind of depends on your trading style as well. At least it's actually pretty solid.
I've been using Lucid Spiky. It's actually been like fine. I just watched one video on how to use it.
Yeah. I was thinking of like getting 5 accounts like for their copy trade as well.
It's what?
I was just like thinking of like getting 5 accounts like for their copy trade as well.
The price wasn't bad either. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's pretty good deal.
But yeah, so I'm inviting you to the other one that me and X have. Let me like copy this link real quick.
Who is it?
Wait, Loki, I can just like wait. Can I like delete something? Oh, I can delete it. Okay, I'm just gonna post it in this like this chat and then delete it afterward. Like in the call chat. I can't even invite y'all. I'll invite y'all another time then.
Wait, Spiky, for the for
The-
like that eval stuff, like it hasn't even like gone through yet, but is it so you just need to make an 3K and then what is it? After that,
And
like
you bought like the Flexa planner or
it was like
the
the
Pro plan?
test or something, and then it was like
The test, probably just like build like a buffer. Should be like 2K buffer and just like withdraw like whatever like after.
okay, bet.
But yeah, so me and Spike will probably work on the server tonight, and then like work on our strategy later too. But yeah, you have any like questions in here so we can like not Loki not like be getting Jude in this VC? I'm Loki just gonna delete the entirety of like this
Yeah, you probably
call
should.
afterward. Yeah. So any other questions in here before like I like leave this? Yeah, we're gonna get the zero DTE tag. That's what me and Spikey are gonna do when we boost it and stuff. Yeah, guys, we're recording glitch out quarterly theory. I'll go over that with you, Apollo. That's like gonna take way too long. But yeah. Guy, bro. Yeah, any other questions for like this specifically? And then if you guys like want to join the other servers, just DM me or add me as a friend first because I have my DMs off because people spam me the keys. So or DM Spiky too. Either one.
Yeah, yeah. See there one.
Okay, well if no one has any questions, me and Spike are gonna go work on the server. But yeah. All right, ladies. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.
See you, bro. Appreciate it.
See you, bro.
Yeah.
See you guys. Have a
Thank
good
you,
one.
Sauce.
Thanks, Spiky.
No problem.